Hey, I've been looking for you. I think I found the one for you. This is Dylan Jones with United Country. I'm at 126 Bent Creek Lane in Jackson, Tennessee. Got a remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, a little over 1,800 square feet in a perfect location, right behind Vann Drive in the Columns, in walking distance to Jackson Christian School. You're gonna love the new flooring, the new light fixtures and paints, and the bonus of this home is the surround sound system. Let's check it out.